Hello, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rodriguez Mama Saglit channel, a faith healer o sa Matarder. So ngayong hapon na tatagal natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is extended weekly gabay. So this is something a new version ng ating weekly gabay. So bibigyan natin ng extended reading, no? Kasi maraming mga suggestion ng ating mga angel spirit and of course ng ating mga gabay and of course ng ating manonood na gustong dagdagan no ang ating mensahe sa inyo at sa mga viewers nating Scorpio. Let's see. Angel spirit guide, please give me information po. So once again, this is our extended weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Magical fairy messages to represent what? And this is something guys with the summer. Now, ngayong summer season, maaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan nyo. Ano man yung mga bagay na gusto nyong malaman unti-unti ng ibibigay dito. And this is admit your true feelings to yourself. And of course, kailangan tanggapin yung katotohanan mismo sa sarili nyo yung mga bagay na kaya nyong gawin, no? Umiwas kayo sa mga bagay na alam mong, kumbaga, huhusgahan ka, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging totoo ka. Ganon din sa mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi mo kailangan makipagplastikan, ganon. Kung ayaw mo, dead ma, prangkahan tayo. And this is something that let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan, no? Kumbaga, stop trying so hard to control the situation. So, hayaan mo siyang mag-unfold naturally. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's something patient, please. So, kailangan mong habaan ng pasensya mo dito. Maging kalmado ka sa lahat ng panahon at sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Ganon. And this is something, your wish is granted. So, matutupad talaga yung mga pangarap mo dito, guys, no? Kumbaga, bibigyan katuparan ko ano man yung mga bagay na inaasam-asam. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? For yin and yang oracle card, represent chemistry. Some of you guys na meron talaga magnetic attraction sa inyo dalawa ng person mo. No, iba yung charisma, iba yung atake yung dalawa eh. And this is something fate, no? Without something divine intervention. Ibig sabihin dito, na parang sinusubo kayong dalawa sa tiwala at pananampalataya sa isa't isa. Ganon, respeto, disiplina. And this is something assistance with the spirit guides, no? Maaring ginagabayan ka ng mga ancestor guides, na maaring may gabay ka na tumutulong sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's toxicities. No, kailangan mo na kumawala sa mga toxicities. No, kailangan mo na pakawalan at bitawan yan. No, hindi mo kailangan magstay dyan para lang masabing marunong ka makisama. No, marunong ka dumistansya sa mga taong kumaga feeling safe. No, yung parang kumaga nandyan, kumaga nakikipag-usap ka, yes. Pero kumaga pagpatalikod na, wala na, tatry do rin ka na. Diba? And there's something close up, no? Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Mag-set ka ng boundaries for that. And there's a freedom, makakalaya ka na from that toxic environment, toxic people around you. Now, let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities represent what? Represent with retreat, no? Kumbaga, it's time to disconnect from the world. Na kailangan mo ng pakawalan, bitawan yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi nakakatulong for you. And there's a rest. So, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga dito, guys, no? Masyado ka ng over-fatigue. And this is something speed, bibilis din ang takbo ng sitwasyon. At unti-unti na rin magiging maganda ang sitwasyon mo. No, mabilis ng pabilis hanggang sa ikay mangalay. And there's something lost. No, may mga bagay lang na kailangan mong i-let go. Pakawalan, bitawan yung toxic na yan. Ganon, and this is something the struggle for something recovered and wish is coming true. Talagang sinasabi na maaaring magtagumpay at maaaring kung naman yung mga bagay hangarin, pangarap mo, maaaring may isa katuparan mo. And there's an artist with a manifestation and the artist represents something creativity. Napagandahin mo, ayusin mo yung buhay mo, yung sitwasyon mo. Huwag kang padadala sa mga negatibong mapanghusgang tao. What is the regional messages with the Romance Angels? For a mystic love oracle deck, represent what? And there's something enemy, I told you. So, there's an enemy, watch your back. Meron talagang kalaban na sumusubaybay sa'yo. Laging nakatingin, kuya sir. No, maraming inggitera. And this is something intimacy. So, see some of you guys na magkakaroon kayo ng bonding ng person mo. Magkakaroon kayo ng karutan, lampungan, kineso, ganyan. And this is something guys with a friends of you, some of you guys, no, may mga influential. There's something guys with bad influence, no, BI, na kaibigan. Umiwas ka dyan, makakasama yan. Okay, let's see. There's something break up. Some of you guys, no, meron ditong, kumbaga, naghiwalay, no, talagang wala nang talagang gaan at wala nang talagang pag-ibig para sa isa't isa. And this is something bliss with a happiness, pero magiging masaya ka, na magiging maligaya ka dahil may tao talaga magpapatibok sa pihig ang puso mo, na magpapakilig hanggang sa ikay mangalay. Charis. So let's see. What is additional messages for Archangel Michael? Messages for you. For Archangel Michael messages, represent what? Okay. And it's something guys with the detachment, the situation I told you. Diba? Kailangan mo na kumawala, no, sa sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. And there's a shield yourself. Protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo. And of course guys, there is something, forgive yourself if there's nothing wrong, patawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala kang ginawang mali. No? Marami lang talaga mapanghusga. And there's something romance angels are helping you. Even sa love life, no, ginagabayan at pinoprotection ka ng ating gabay. And spend more time outdoors. Some of you guys, no, kailangan talaga ng pumunta ng ibang lugar, no, unwind. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And this is something guys with a messenger. Now, some of you guys, kumbaga may mga hinahatid na mensahe dito ang ating mga gabay. Binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala. And this is something with a rate. Longing from home, homesick from the stars. So, may mga bagay na namimiss ka. Now, may mga bagay na naaalala ka. May mga bagay na gusto mo pa rin maganap. Na parang gusto mo mangyari, gusto mo mahawakan, gusto mo mayapos, ganon. And because this is something courage, be honest with something, let yourself be seen. Hayaan mo yung sarili mong makakita, no? Ng mga bagay-bagay, no? And a new earth, it's happening. Keep holding the vision. Napangawakan mo yung mga bagay na nakikita mo. Yung mga bagay na gusto mong malaman at gusto mong makuha, gusto mong mapanghawakan at gusto mong ipanalo. Ganon, no? Magpatuloy ka lang dyan sa ginagawa mo. Let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? And there's a no. No, marunong ka humindi. No, hindi pwedeng, oo, sige, laban. And this is something come promise. No, may mga bagay na pinangako dito na kailangan magkatotoo matupad. Or may mga bagay na pinangako sa'yo at maaaring matupad with a yes. And yes, sasagot sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Marunong ka humindi. Then of course, meron kang bagay na kailangan gawin dito. And listen to your intuition. Makikinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makikinig ka sa visions and vibrations mo. And there's something wait. No, marunong ka maghintay. Just wait for perfect timing. So may mga bagay na napapanahon at may mga bagay na ibibigay sa sakdang. Let's see, what is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a gratitude, just being thankful sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na nilalatag sa'yo, mga bagay na binibigay sa'yo ay maaaring makakatulong para sa'yo. Let's see, what is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a health, no? Pangalagaan mo ang iyong kalusugan. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pakakatandaan. And this is something growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito, guys. And of course, there's something of fear. Labanan mo tong takot na to. I-let go mo na to. Alisin mo na to. Isa yan sa nagbibigay ng negatibo sa buhay mo. And this is something gives you loneliness. No? Alisin mo yung drama. No? May mga drama dito, guys, na Scorpio. Umiwas-iwas kayo sa mga drama. So let's see what is additional messages with the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent with the passion. So gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yung mga bagay na hilig mo. And of course, guys, there's something called recovery. Makaka-recover ka na from your health. And of course, there's something guys with the creations. Unti-unti mo na mabubuo lahat ng mga pangarap at plano mo. And this something confessions, no? Wag mo ngayaan na mahuli ang lahat. No, laban lang. So let's see what is additional messages with the Nagus Spirit, guys. And there's a council. No, there's an evolution. Unti-unti na magbabago yung situations mo. No, and this is something guys with a vital force, with the astral travel. Na may kakayanan ka at kaalaman ka. At some of you, kayang-kaya mong i-manage yung visions mo, ha? Per this. No, kayang-kaya mo makapunta na ibang lugar. Nagte-telepathy dito, some of you. And this is summer with taking action. Kailangan mo na kumilos, gumalaw, ha? And this is something pass over loved ones. Support. No, ginagawa at sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit. So let's see what is the romance angel represent what. Represent with the deception. Some of you guys, no, there's a false mask. Meron dito nagpapanggap, no? At hindi totoo sa nararamdaman niya at sa pinapakita niya. And this is something you deserve love. Deserve mong mahalin. No, some of you guys naman na-apektuhan daw yung mga anak mo sa lahat na nangyayari dito sa buhay mo. Some of you baka nakakahanap ng the one. No? Maaaring dumami na yan. Mamaya, isang dosena na yan, anak mo. In fairness. What is Archangel Michael message? Archangel Raphael, sorry. There's a severity. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. And increase your energy. No? Kumbaga, boost your confidence. And of course, sinasabi, increase your energy na palakasin mo yung enerhiya. No? Yung immune system. And this is something inner authority. No, ibig sabihin dito, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. No, sundin mo yung mga sinasabi ng iyong mga gabay. So, let's see what is the additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an animal. Some of you guys know animal lover. And there's a crystals na makakatulong crystals or gemstones sa'yo for healing energy. And this is something yoga. No? Some of you guys na kailangan nyo exercise, diet, stretching. Let's see what is the additional messages with the energy. For chakra Archangel Raphael. Nandito rin sa ating Archangel Raphael for healing. Ginagawa at pinagagaling ka sa iyong karamdaman. There's a patient, kailangan mo lang kumalma. Maghintay ng panahon at pagkakataon. And there's a thinking man. Yung person mo maaling overthinking at paranoid. No? Or some of you, baka ikaw yan. What is the Monsology represent what? Confident is your key to success. No, lakas mo ang loob mo, no? At magtatagumpay ka. At yan ang susi na yan, yung lakas ng loob at tapang. This is something emotional running high. No, iwasan mo yung pagiging emosyon. No? Kumbaga tumataas ang tension mo dito, kailangan mo maging kalmado. And prosperity lies ahead. So, ibig sabihin talaga na nasa palad mo maging masagan at maganda ang pamumuhay. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Nothing shall be impossible to you. Pagdating sa iyo, wala daw imposible, sabi ng ating Panginoon. No? So, let's see. What is the clarified for love situation? Now, paano natin i-clarify pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, kaganapan sa buhay mo? Now, let's see. Alamin natin niya with the clarify for love. And there's a magnetic field. Some of you guys, no? Meron mga bagay dito na nagbigay ng spark or something attraction sa isa't isa. Na maaaring pinagsama at pinagbuklod kayo. Ito yung magnetic attractions, guys. No? Chemistry tinatawag. And this is something, guys, with a frequently defenses. Barrier caused by past hurt, block you, be patient. Aba mo yung pasensya mo. Dahil isa sa nagbigay trauma sa iyo yung nakaraan. No? Parang natatakot ka na muling magmahal. Natatakot ka na muling masaktan. Oh, talaga ba? So, let's see. What is additional messages tayo? With the path of the light. Mamaya magbibigay tayo ng confession message, di ba? Some of you kasi, Scorpio, nakita ko sa mga nag-comment, no? Na may gusto kang malaman kung ano ba yung nararamdaman ng person mo sa'yo. Oh, gusto niyo yan? Let's see what is the path of the light. Represent what? There's a divine timing. So, lahat ng mga bagay nito ay maaaring nakalakad na sa tamang panahon na tamang pagkakataon ng trust in the perfect timing of the universe. Everything's unfold as it should. And every moment is aligned with my soul path. I release impatient and embrace the flow of life. knowing that I am always exactly where I need to be. Or, alam mo sa sarili mo yung kailangan mong gawin para matupad to at may sakatuparan nito. And this is something firmly believe. Or, talaga, I believe myself in life and in the goodness of God. With this unwavering faith, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of mighty guides me, and my life is the bath of divine light. My heart is open to universe, embracing all the blessing it has to offer. Okay? Naniniwala ka na lahat ng mga bagay na binibigay sa iyo ng ating Panginoon, no, ay maaaring posible ayon sa kalooban nila. No? Kailangan lahat daw ng mga pananampalataya mo, magtiwala ka lang ng tuloy-tuloy at kumbaga, mataas, no, or something solid, no, pure, no? Kailangan pure ang intention mo, pure yung pagmamakalayan, maaaring ibigay sa'yo at may sakatuparan mo talaga yan. So, let's see, what is the angel's number? Represent what? With an angel's number, represent 1122 with a great shift, no? First, focus on your positive changes occurring due to your efforts. Then, expand your horizon and permit yourself to try something new. So many positive shifts are in store for you. The world around you is changing in your favor, in your intention. So see, papabor sa iyo sa kung ano man yung intention mo. This is something spiritual development. No, nagde-develop na lahat ng mga bagay sa iyo pagdating sa spirituality. What is the messages of life represent what? My creative power. No, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw yung gagawa. No, ikaw yung bubuo, no, ng magsisilbing kalakasan mo. No? I recognize the creative power of my thoughts. I know that I can use it to build or to destroy. Today, I choose to use my thought to create something universe to fill my joy and harmony. I will maintain a positive attitudes. I have the power to create love and peace. See? Kayang-kayang bumuo ng kapayapaan at tahimik at mapagmahal na mundo. No? Kaya ayusin mo yung mga pinaggagawa mo. What lies beneath? With a hidden future, ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinahanap mo? Angels, there's a tantric sex. Some of you guys na meron ditong parang religious. No? Some of you may religious dito. About dito with the tantric sex. And there's something guys with the charge of drama. No, ayaw mo naman drama, ayaw mo ng kwento, ayaw mo naman chika, ayaw mo ng mga bagay na nagbibigay negatibo. No, takot ka na. No? Or either yun yung ganyan yung person mo. No, gusto niya yung siya lang pakikinggan. No, kumbaga ayaw niya ng drama, pero siya yung nag-create ng drama. What is the shadow works? Represent what? Limiting beliefs. Mindset of self-realizations. Ultimately, you become what you believe. No? Kumbaga magkaroon ka ng mga bagay na magpapayamong sa'yo. Ayusin mo yung mga bagay na iniisip, yung mga bagay na pinaniniwalaan mo. No, dahil kung ano yung mga bagay na pinapaniwalaan mo, yun yung mga bagay na ma-attract mo. Meron ako nakita dito talaga something religious factor. No, there's something spiritual path. No, maaaring pabago-bago ng mga pananaw, pabago-bago na pinaniniwalaan. Yun yung kailangan mong ayusin, no? Na lahat ng mga bagay na to ay nasa kumbaga soul growth mo or something spiritual development, spiritual journey. No, may mga up and downs na nangyari sa situation mo. Just continue what you doing and trust with the faith of God. Magtiwala at maniwala ka, lahat ng mga bagay nito ay maaaring ibibigay sa'yo with the divine timing. So let's see. Bago tayo mag-proceed for yes or no fake card, no? Mag-isip na kayo na question nyo dito. Pipili kayo with a 1, 2, 3. Before that, mag-proceed mo tayo ang deep soul connections. A message for you. Represent with a let go. May mga bagay na kailangan ka talagang i-let go na. No? Pagdating sa pagmamahal, pagdating sa pag-ibig, kailangan mong pakawalan. Sometimes, it's best to let go and let the universe work things out of the divine timing. So see, magtiwala ka with the divine timing na kung talagang para sa yung tao na yon, bitawan mo, pakawalan mo, let God in. Hayaan mo ang ating Panginoon na magbigay ng hudyat at pagkakataon ibigay sa iyo kung karapat-dapat ba tong tao na to. So let's see. This is something confession, no, for love message. Sige nga. Dahil marami nag-request din ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 message, no? Okay. Okay, one more card, please. Ayan. Di ba? Pero unahin muna natin sinasabi ng my world, no? My world represent, you mean the world to me. Everything revolves around you. I keep you in mind when I am making decision. I include in all of my plans, every reactions, every dreams. I love doing life with you. You meant so much to me. Without you, I feel like nothing. So, ibig sabihin dito, ginawang mundo ka, no? Parang feeling niya, kulang siya pag wala ka. Ay, kulang ako kung wala ka. O, diba? Lakas maka ano to, ha? And some of you guys, there's ano hold me. I need to feel your arms around me. Things are not right in my world, and I'm longing for embrace today. Please send me your love so that I know everything will be okay. So, ibig sabihin dito, parang pinipilit mo maging okay yung situation, no? Parang pilit mong, kumbaga, sinasabi na huwag mo siyang bitawan, huwag ka niyang pakawalan, huwag ka niyang bitawan, no? Kumapit ka lang saglit, no? Magulo man ang sitwasyon, pero darating tayo kung talagang para tayo saan. Di ba ganun? Kumbaga, some of you may kanya-kanyang asawa. Some of you, kumbaga, mayroon ditong jowa or mayroon ditong parang nasa ibang bansa na mayroong taong minamahal doon pero may pamilya pala sa Pilipinas. Ganun. Some of you ganon. And of course, there's something regret. My intention was not to hurt you. I am so ashamed and embarrassed. I can bear to look you in the eyes and tell you everything. I can stand the thought of making you cry. Just let me build up the courage to confront us. No, natatakot ka. Nagsisisi ka. No, nangihinayang ka. Na baka pag kumbaga kinausap ka niya, kumbaga, baka masaktan ka. No, hindi niya intention na masaktan ka. Gusto niya lang malaman mo, no, yung mga bagay na nararamdaman niya at yung bagay na sitwasyon na kinagagalawan niya. Oh, it's a difficult decision, guys, no? So, let's see. We have also yes or no pick a card. Alamin na natin yan, ano kaganapan sa buhay mo ang maidadagdag with a yes or no questions. Okay. Okay. Just pick a card. Kumuha na ako ng cards. Sabi ko, shuffle ko lang to. Pumili kayo dito, guys, ha. Okay, pili na kayo ng 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pili na para malaman na natin ang eksena na to. So, let's proceed now. Number 1. There is a no burning through money for investment, bro. Some of you na love scam dito. No, parang nabudol ka, niloko ka, ganto ganyan, mag-ingat ka. No? Hindi ka na dapat ulit magtiwala sa gantong sistema. And number 2, there's a no feeling run down, tired, rough time too much. No? Masyado ka nang napagod. Masyado ka nang parang sinubok ng nararamdaman mo. No? Hindi mo na alam kung ano ang gagawin mo at paano ka mag-uumpisa ulit. No? And because this is something we don't know again. It's just fork up a real time in the behind. So, ibig sabihin dito na natatakot ka, no? Na malaman ang katotohanan na hindi dapat, no? Hindi dapat kumbaga ibahagi o ipakita yung mga bagay na nararamdaman. No, kumbaga sinasabi dito na natatakot kang kumbaga magsabi, no, or ikompronta, no, dahil ayaw mong mangyari na baka magsisi ka sa huli, na baka at the end of the time mali pala yung decision mo, no. So guys, this is extended weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And yung notification bell for more videos. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa akin channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumapo na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. And babush.